Hey there guys, it's Tony here. At the moment I'm going to be looking at some chorus cicadas. Now these guys get really loud, so these guys are endemic to New Zealand. The cicada is just about one of the most noisiest creatures on this planet. If these guys build up in a bit of bush quite a distance away, you can hear them from miles away. So here's a close-up of one here. So that one there is a male, and the one in front there is the female. But that's only the quiet part. We've got Dock 200 here, which has been set off. Okay, I'll have to come and set that again. I should say some kind thing's bumped it. Right, this is the time where you put on your earmuffs. You can see why they're called a chorus cicada, because they do a repetitive sound and then clap their wings at the end of each one of their choruses, then start over again. Your singing sucks. So they're pretty much everywhere. You've got them up here. You can see an extra leg which is just under its head poking into the tree. Well, they don't actually have a mouth, they actually have a little probing device which they jam into the tree, and they drink the sap from the tree like that. These guys are loud. It's almost like having a jet plane flying around inside my ear. See if we can catch one and show you how they make their noise. Oh, missed them. Well, I'm slow. Try not to injure them though. Let's go into a quieter spot. You can hear. So a lot of people might think that cicada has quite a large mouth to make a noise. In fact, don't use its mouth. I've got one in my hand here. He's not too happy about it though. If we have a look over here, you got those two brown patches. Well, that's where the noise comes out of. He's not too happy about me holding him, but you can see his face there. It's got two little antennas, googly eyes. You see that straw looking thing poking down in the underneath part, so yeah. And that's pretty much a good look at them. That guy was only a little one too. If you're wondering what all this is, if you notice all up here, that all was that pampas grass, which is really, really invasive. I'm well on the way on cleaning out all the pest species out of this bush now, and enhancing our native wildlife. Now, I reckon that the occupational safety and health need to come and tell these cicadas to wear earmuffs, because these guys are loud. So over here we got a female one. How do you tell a cicada's a female? They don't make a noise. And I'll show you that as well. You have a look on the base of this one's abdomen here. Doesn't have the brown patches. The I think they're trombones or something like that, or thimbles, or yeah, some weird name. And it's got a different shaped back end on it. Look at from the front. And also, no, it's not wearing lipstick, so you can't tell that way. Yeah, so that's how you tell the difference between a male and a female. And the female one can't actually make a noise because it doesn't have the gear to make the noise as such. So. You see the way this male one here, he's got his back arched, and he's gonna walk away. Got his back arched so he can enhance his little noise makers. You can see this one here's got his back arched as well. He's enhancing his noise makers. They look like they're open up to let the sound right out. So if I put the noise, the microphone right up, that's what they sound like. Then they use their wings to flap up against the tree to make that rhythmic clapping noise, the clicking. You can hear the clicking noise as well that they make. And that's what it is they do, give a little rev of their noise makers, and they clap their wings about 2 or 3 times quickly in a row, and then, yeah, just a... Hey then guys, well, I better get out of here before I go deaf, because like I say, these guys are loud. I'd like to get a decibel meter and bring up just to actually, you know, see how loud these fellas are. Another pampas grass here that I've removed. Make sure that's not growing back. So I'm just shaving it off the ground, and then I'm smashing it up. So you got a couple there I forgot, or not forgot, but you know, didn't remove. So I'm just, yeah, ripping it out. See one down there that's yet to be removed. Big pine tree that's fallen over. Make a good bridge. Make sure I fall on my face. Oh yeah, no, not to mention the one I burnt too. Yeah, so that's oh, so there we go. Well, I better head off and carry on, do my next chore. Okay then, see you guys.